What's up, everybody? This is Malachi, and today I'm going to be uploading a couple of videos as part of an assignment for my Calculus 3 class, showing how to do different problems from our exam that we took in class a couple weeks ago. So, if you enjoy this video, make sure to stay tuned, because hoo boy, there's more where that came from. With that said, let's just get started. So, we're being asked to prove that the magnitude of the cross product of a and b squared is equal to the magnitude a squared, magnitude b squared, minus the dot product of a and b squared. So best way to start with this one, there's two things that we need to remember for this, is that the magnitude of the cross product of a and b is equal to the magnitude of a times the magnitude of b times sine of theta. There's also the dot product of a and b, which is equivalent to the magnitude of a times the magnitude of b, but this time it's times cosine of theta. So we can plug both those in, this right here, plug this in right here, and that's all that you need to solve this equation. So I'll go ahead and show how to go out and do that. So with the first part, if you go ahead and plug this into this and square it, we get magnitude of a squared times magnitude of b squared times sine squared of theta equals magnitude a squared, magnitude b squared. Then we take this right here, plug it into the dot product of a and b, minus magnitude a squared times the magnitude of b squared times cosine squared of theta. So both sides look kind of similar, but they don't exactly look like they're equal. So how do we prove this? Trigonometry. You just got to remember that sine squared of theta equals 1 minus cosine squared of theta. So the magnitude of a squared, magnitude b squared, times 1 minus cosine squared of theta, take all that, you simplify it, equals magnitude a squared, magnitude b squared, minus magnitude a squared, magnitude b squared times cosine of theta, which equals, as we have right up here, magnitude a squared, magnitude b squared, minus magnitude a squared, magnitude b squared, cosine theta. Just like that. Have it all solved and written out. Just a couple of formulas you need to memorize, and just like that, you can solve it in 2 minutes. However, there's also a b part to this question, so let's go ahead and hop to that one right now. So the b part to this question is, if the dot product of a and b is the square root of 3, is equal to square root of 3, and the cross product of a and b is the vector 1, 2, 2, then we need to find the angle between a and b. Well, to solve this one, really you just need to use the same formulas as you did last time. We already have that the dot product of a and b is magnitude a, magnitude b of cosine theta. The magnitude of the cross product of a and b is equal to magnitude a, magnitude b sine theta. So then, right here, if we look at this, you may realize that that means that the cross product of a and b over the dot product of a and b is equal to magnitude a, magnitude b sine theta over magnitude a, magnitude b cosine theta. And since these are on both sides, they cancel out. And sine of theta over cosine of theta, well, that's just tangent of theta. Write that down right there. And just like that, we have an easy way to solve for theta. Now, we don't have the magnitude of a and b, but of a cross product of b, but we do have the cross product of a and b. So all we have to do here is right down here, plug in this right here, which is root 3. And then we have to find the magnitude of the cross product, which is just x squared, which is 1 squared, plus y squared, which is 2 squared, plus z squared, which is also 2 squared. And that gives us the square root of 9 over 3, over square root of 3, which is equal to 3 root 3. And that's equal to tangent of theta, So then to solve for theta, we just take the arctangent of both sides, which gets rid of the tangent here, and then arctangent of 3 root 3 is equal to, according to my calculator, 60 degrees. Or if you want it in radians, you can multiply it by pi over 180, which gives you pi over 3. And there we have it. Hope you enjoyed my explanations. I'll be uploading a couple more videos just the same day with a few more explanations for a couple more problems. Till then, see you next time.